So we're going to learn how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So for surface area, we need to find the area of all faces. Okay, so with the surface area of a rectangular prism, we can cheat a little bit. We can use the formula that the surface area is 2 times the face A plus the face B plus the face C, all added together. So if I have this rectangular prism, instead of creating a net, I'm going to label one face, face A, one face, face B, and the third face C. I'm going to find the area of face A, and since that is my front face, it has a congruent or equal back face, so I'm going to multiply that by 2. Same with side B. It is my right side, I have an equivalent left side, and then C is the top, I have an equivalent bottom. So I'll use my formula of area equals length times width to find the area of face A. The length being 5 and the width being 9. You can also interchange the terms base and height. So in this case, again, 5 by 9. And when we multiply 5 by 9, we're going to get 45, and that is meters squared. For face B, for our base and height or length and width, we're going to be using the numbers 8 and 9. So 8 times 9, we get 72 meters squared. And then face C is our top face. We use our length and width, our base and height. We use the equivalent sides 5 and 8. So 5 by 8, we get 40 meters squared. So I have the area of the 3 faces that are visualized now. I can then substitute them into my formula of 2 times the area of each face. So 45 meters squared is A, 72 meters squared is B, and C is 40 meters squared. When I add up all of those, I am going to get a total of 157 meters squared. And then I multiply those by 2, and I get 314 meters squared. So the surface area of the complete prism is 314 meters squared. And surface area is squared because we are talking about area. Now, a question like this in surface area gets a little bit more difficult when we talk about this word problem here. So it says an open aquarium measures 80 centimeters by 35 centimeters by 45 centimeters. Now it is an open aquarium, so it means it has an open top. Now when we see, it says what's the surface area of the aquarium? When we see our measurements like this, we are going to assume that this is the length, this is the width, and this is the height. So my picture will look like this. I will start with my rectangular shape, and then from there I will extend out. Okay, so my length is 80 centimeters, my width is 35 centimeters, and then the height of the object is 45 centimeters. Now, there is no top, but remember that there is a bottom. So we are actually finding the area of 5 faces. So the way our formula is going to change, I'll still call these A and B. I'll call this one C, but in my formula, I'll multiply A and B by 2 and add just one C, which will represent the base. The way that I find the area of the faces is going to be the exact same. I still use my formula of length times width. For A, I will do 80 times 45. And B, I will do 35 by 45. And for C, I will do 80 by 35. So when I calculate these, 80 by 45 is 3,600 centimeters squared. B is 1,575 centimeters squared, and C is 2,800 centimeters squared. So then I'll finish my problem by substituting into my formula. So I'm multiplying 3,600 centimeters squared and 1,575 centimeters squared by 2, because there's the front and the back, the left and the right. And then the 2,800 is only going to be added to it because there's only one bottom. There is no top face since it is open faced. When I multiply A and B together by 2, or sorry, when I add them together, I am going to get 5,175 centimeters squared, and I have to add the 2,800 there. When I multiply that number by 2, I am going to get 10,350, and I add my 2,800. So my final answer for this problem, my total surface area of my open aquarium will be 13,150 centimeters squared. Since we have created a word problem, we have written a word problem here, we will say the surface area of the aquarium is 13,150 centimeters squared. Hope you enjoyed the video.